today I want to share something I use almost every day, my Tieso tumbler. At first glance, it might seem like just ordinary tumbler, but it's been so useful for me. So let me tell you why it's so special and why I think it's something everyone should consider having. Okay, this tumbler was designed to keep drinks at the perfect temperature, whether hot or cold for long hours. So it's made for people who are always on the go like me, students, workers, or anyone who wants their coffee hot or water ice cold all day. This tumbler was designed to make life easier for people like us, whether you need your coffee to stay hot during a busy morning or your water cold throughout the day. It's all about convenience and making sure you enjoy your drinks the way you want them. My favorite thing about this tumbler is its double wall vacuum isolation. It keeps my coffee hot for up to 8 hours and my water ice cold for up to 12 hours. Another feature I really appreciate is the spill-proof lid with the silicone seal. I can just toast it with my bag without worrying about leaks. And the wide opening makes it super easy to clean and even add ice cube. No mess, no hassle. First off, let's talk about how it looks. The Tieso tumbler has this clean, modern design that I really like. The matte finish feels premium and doesn't easily get scratched. It's also made of stainless steel, so it's durable, lightweight, and perfect for carrying around wherever I go. One of the new features of this tumbler is its non-slip base. It might sound like a small thing, but it's so handy because it doesn't slide around on surfaces. Plus, the grip feels more comfortable even when it's full. These little details make a big difference. I got this tumbler because I wanted something reusable and eco-friendly to help cut down on plastic waste. Plus, it's so practical for school or when I'm out and about. It's reliable, stylish, and just make things easier for me. So that's why I really love this Tieso tumbler. It's not just about keeping drink at the right temperature. It's about convenience, sustainability, and even a bit style. So if you're looking for something reliable and easy to use, I definitely recommend this tumbler. Choosing this Tieso Sport bottle, you're not just making a choice for a high quality product. You're also supporting Filipino craftsmanship and ingenuity. Proudly produced in Quezon City, each bottle is a testament to their dedication to excellence and the rich tradition of Filipino artistry. Thanks for watching and I hope this helped you learn more about it.